have little pieces of butter throughout. I use some paprika, a little bit of seasoned salt. I use this broccoli herbs, or this herb seasoning for broccoli. So it's got like rosemary, sea salt, pepper, and I also use a little bit of that chicken seasoning that I showed you earlier. You don't want these too crispy. You don't want them to burn. They're cooking pretty fast. And once everything is pretty like translucent, we're just going to put a little bit of flour on top of it. What, baby? So now I'm gonna show y'all how to make chicken pot pie on low flat. So now we coated our veggies in flour. I'm gonna do this off camera just so I can not get pissed off, but y'all see the gist of it. So now we're taking some chicken broth. Okay, now we're gonna let that bubble up. So we have our base, and now we're gonna add. So now we've added our chicken. We're gonna mix this in. We're gonna add some more chicken broth and then some whipping cream, and then we're gonna place our biscuits on top and hope for the best. All right. Damn. I spilled some.